Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be looking at how to gap your spark plugs. These were for an order that we just received on our website. So the customer requested that we gap them to 0.022 of an inch, which on our little gapping tool right here is this one right here. So what that means basically is the gap right here at the tip of the spark plug needs to be equal to 0.022 per the customer's request. There's lots of different gaps you could do, like 0.018, 0.020, 0.022 on, so forth. However, this customer requested for 0.022. So to do that, you basically grab a metal or some kind of hard object. You can also do this on the floor on like concrete. You just basically tap it until you get down to that gap. It is a tedious process, so you want to take your time with it. You don't want to just jam it down, because then you'll see right here at the tip that it will touch. You don't want that because then it's harder to separate the tip away. So barely a little more. And you'll see right here, it's catching a little bit as I go in, just a little bit. So that's how you know it's gapped correctly. If there is a little bit of wiggle room, like let's say I put this in here and I was able to move this side to side, that means the gap's too big and it's most likely over 0.022. If it's too small, you won't be able to even get the metal gapping tool in. So there's a couple different gapping tools really quick I want to discuss. There's a type that's like a coin and it's got a ring that goes around it and it gradually gets bigger. You can get that kind of size or that kind of type, or you could just get this. I recommend these types right here. This one's from Blue Point, but there's honestly a bunch of different brands, and this is probably something you could even just get on Amazon. Just make sure that the reviews say it's accurate, because it's very, very important that the measurements on all these different, tabs right here are accurate. You'll see all the different kind of measurements you can get. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing right now for all the other spark plugs and make sure these are all gapped correctly. All right, so all of our spark plugs are gapped to 0.022. Now we're gonna go ahead and repackage them all, and then we're gonna write the gap on the outside of the box. So there you guys go. That's how to gap your spark plugs quick and easy. There's a gap tool out there that you can use a little thumb screw and kind of close the gap to the desired gap that you need. However, the little tapping method has been tried and true, it works. So get yourself one of these right here. That way, if you ever need to change the gap on your spark plugs, or you do your spark plugs yourself at home, like a DIY, you can go ahead and get the correct gap, because out of the box, most spark plugs, at least for BMWs, are like this. Out of the box, they are not set to the correct gap. A lot of tuned applications require 0.022, which is what we set these ones here to today. However, a lot of the times out of the box are like 0.028 or something like that. So helps to get one of these, and yeah, hope this video helps you guys. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Other than that, please like, share, and subscribe. It'll mean a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one.